Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how can you get Pokemon app on iPhone. So guys, just go to your app store. Now after going to your app store, in the bottom right side here you can see search option. Click on it. Now just search for Pokemon Go. And here you can see Pokemon Go, the Pokemon Go game app. You can just click on get, and you need to just click on install and give your password, and by doing that you can just get Pokemon Go on your iPhone. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.